A modern manufacturing floor is a dense, heavy grid of continuously moving steel, high voltage, and constant noise. Attempting to bring a film crew into this environment without a strict plan guarantees two things: massive disruption to the production line and a high probability of severe injury. To safely navigate these spaces and capture usable footage, we rely entirely on a foundational document called the Project Readiness Checklist. This document operates as a rigid 5-stage sequential pipeline, guiding a project step by step from its initial concept all the way to final delivery. We map the variables, secure the hazards, and vet the scripts before a camera ever enters the building. Premium industrial video is engineered layer by layer to neutralize risk. This pipeline diagram outlines the entire system, beginning here with Stage 1, defining the scope. The primary objective, whether the video is for brand awareness, internal training, or investor relations, dictates every subsequent decision. We have to lock in exactly who will be watching and identify where the video will live, whether that is on a corporate website or broadcast across a crowded trade show floor. We also confirm demographic and localization needs. We determine VO gender, map out multi-language translations, and plan for multiple facilities. Once those parameters are set, we move into the most physically critical phase, Stage 2, site and safety preparation. Every single staff member appearing on camera must be equipped with fully compliant, spotless personal protective equipment. There are no exceptions. We also mandate strict housekeeping. The exact areas targeted for filming must be scrubbed, cleared of debris, and perfectly organized prior to the crew's arrival. If we fail to define our exact outputs, or if the physical filming environment remains hazardous, capturing precise technical footage becomes a physical impossibility. With the floor secured, we enter Stage 3, content and accuracy. In this industry, a single factual error instantly destroys a video's credibility. To prevent this, we assign a dedicated subject matter expert to meticulously verify the mechanics of every technical step we plan to capture. The voiceover script goes through its own rigorous approval process, vetted specifically for engineering and operational accuracy. We pre-plan all text overlays. If we display machine names, output capacities, or operational specs on screen, those numbers are double-checked and locked in advance. We also evaluate the human element. The operators running these machines need to be genuinely comfortable working on camera, otherwise the final footage will look tense and unnatural. Next, the focus shifts from the script back to the physical facility, entering Stage 4, production logistics. We map out the raw physical requirements for the crew, locating every available power drop and charging point near our shooting zones. We execute operational sync. This means actively aligning the camera crew schedule with the actual scheduled runtimes of the heavy machinery. We can capture perfectly lit, technically accurate footage, but if our logistical footprint slows down the factory's commercial output, the production is a failure. The final failsafe is Stage 5, approval gates. These operate as absolute blockades. Story structure and VO script must receive formal sign-off. We require explicit approval on visual treatment, and the shot list is frozen. The final checkpoint is a rough cut review. By forcing the project through these rigid gates, we guarantee that the final deliverable matches the exact parameters we defined back in Stage 1. Compare a haphazard shoot to this methodical approach. The result is a highly polished, factually bulletproof video, captured safely in the middle of an active industrial zone. We eliminate the guesswork up front. Precision planning directly yields professional execution. This rigorous standard of industrial visual documentation is engineered and executed by Digital Studio. Elite industrial documentation is never an accident. It is the deliberate product of an uncompromising system.